Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Update iOS and WhatsApp and make sure you can access Control Center. Once done, open Control Center, swipe down from the top right on Face ID devices or swipe up on older iPhones. Tap the portrait orientation lock icon so it turns on. That little lock with a circular arrow must appear in the status bar. This locks the screen in portrait. Do it before starting the WhatsApp video call to prevent automatic rotation. Now start your WhatsApp video call while the portrait lock is active. You'll see the app stay in portrait orientation even if you tilt the phone. That's the point. Make sure to test by gently rotating the device. The display should not reflow. If the preview still flips, switch between front and back camera once or tap the small controls to nudge the UI. Sometimes the app refreshes and then respects the lock. This is the only reliable in-system way to prevent rotation. To finish, if the screen still rotates, force close WhatsApp and reopen it with portrait orientation lock already on. If that fails, reboot the iPhone. After restart, enable the lock and relaunch the call. Make sure iOS and WhatsApp are up to date. There's no WhatsApp setting that permanently disables rotation, so the system lock is the only consistent solution. Troubleshooting tip. If problems continue, check for accessibility, display zoom, or third-party apps that might override orientation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.